Have you ever considered exactly how much raw data a complete stranger can harvest from just a quick glance at your social media profile? Details like your birthday, current city, and where you work are exactly the pieces of information scammers need to guess your security questions or build highly targeted phishing messages. While these platforms are built to help you connect, the default settings often cast too wide a net, broadcasting your life to the entire public rather than a trusted circle of friends. We are going to walk through a simple 5-step process to permanently lock down your account and verify that your new security perimeter is actively working. By treating your personal details as privileged information, you remove the basic leverage malicious actors need to make you a target. Let's start the lockdown process. For the easiest navigation, log into your account using a desktop web browser. This dashboard is your starting point. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. From this new page, navigate down the left side and click the Privacy tab. Keep in mind that mobile interfaces and platform updates occasionally change this layout. If lost, always look for the universal gear icon to return to your core settings. Now, locate your contact and basic info. Change the audience setting for your birthday, your phone number, and email address from public to only me. Next, we need to address account cloning. This is a common tactic where scammers use your public friends list to figure out who you know, create a fake profile with your photo, and start messaging your contacts. To stop this threat immediately, locate your friends list settings and restrict the audience visibility to only me. Making your direct contact information and personal associations invisible shuts down the most common pathways for impersonation and social engineering. With your static profile data secure, we need to apply those same rules to the content you actively generate on your timeline. Navigate to the Your Activity section. Find the option asking who can see your future posts, and switch it from the Public Globe icon to Friends. Be careful here. Updating this setting only protects what you publish tomorrow. It does not hide years of past public posts, which you must limit separately using the Limit Past Posts tool in that same menu. You also need to manage what other people place on your timeline. If a friend's account is compromised, scammers can tag you in malicious links or spam photos, which then appear to all of your contacts. Head over to your profile and tagging settings and enable the Review Tags feature. This creates a holding pen, requiring your explicit approval before any tagged content shows up on your page. By limiting your post audience and forcing tag approvals, you transition from a passive target into the active gatekeeper of your digital reputation. Even with a secure timeline, strangers might still try to locate you by typing your phone number or email address directly into the platform's search bar. Go to the section labeled How People Find and Contact You. Restrict these external lookup methods so that only you can use your phone number or email to locate the account. If you ever need to completely sever contact with a specific unwanted individual, you can use the blocking feature located right below these search settings. The final step in this process is to verify that these changes are functioning using the platform's built-in View As tool. Return to your main profile page. Click the Action menu, usually 3 small dots next to the Edit Profile button, and trigger the View As mode. This shows the stark difference. The left is the detailed layout you see internally. The right is the empty, redacted version presented to the public. Verifying your profile through the eyes of a complete stranger is the only definitive proof that your security perimeter is holding. You have successfully secured your data and removed the low-hanging fruit that scammers rely on. Keep in mind that privacy is not a set-it-and-forget-it configuration. Platform updates frequently refresh layouts and can introduce entirely new settings you need to manage. To maintain your safety over time, remember 3 rules. First, limit. Limit the personal information you expose. Second, review. Review your privacy settings and your friend lists regularly. And third, control. Take control of who is allowed to interact with you, tag you, and contact you. Your social media profile tells a personal story. Make sure you alone dictate who is allowed to read it.